Hi guys, it's me again, and today we're going to unbox this. I don't know what it is. Where's my bloody scissors gone? Oh. God damn it! Back again guys, let's unbox this. Ding. So it's taking a while guys, I need time lapses. There we go. Here she is guys. And guess this what it is yet or no? I know what she is already. Oh, I see blue. I see the blue. Can you tell what it is yet, guys? Ah. Nice, so the wheels are hanging off of it. Fair play. That's fine though. So yeah, I have an Optare YJ9 LKN. I know the wheels have just popped off of it, but that's because it weren't on properly anyway. So that would be super glued. So yeah. Senna did warn me about this, so that's fine. There we go, that's what it should look like. So yeah. Here's the front. Actually, I won't do it. I'll get a cinematic shot. So yeah, this is a very extremely rare Arriva Optare. I've been after one of these for a while, hence why I didn't mind if I brought a broken one. Because I would have had to pay 252 quid if I wanted one, and that was still broken. And apparently it's been glued together. This one's got to be like sellotape or something at the bottom, but that's only the bottom, so I'm not bothered about that. So yeah. One of the Optare. So let's get some cinematic shots. So yeah guys, here's the Optare in all its glory. As you can see. Very nice. I'm very happy with this purchase, even if the wheels did fall off. And yes, it didn't come with any tyres. If I can find a replacement for a race to come on, or I may leave them like this, for 100 and some quid, I'll put the exact price in the text. I don't care telling me how much I paid for them. It was not bad, because this was the only ones I could find for sale. And I know there's another version of this with all the livery on it, like all the route branding. So yeah, pretty cool. Well, as I said in my R4 video, I was after that one for a while. I've been after this one for even longer. Very happy with this model. Very happy to finally add an Optare to my collection. The main reason why I brought this one is because it reminds me of my old school buses. The Optare that used to be owned by Johnson's XL Bus. Yeah, it reminds me of one of them. Apart from it don't have the yellow box on the roof like the Johnson's ones does. And the lights on the Johnson's ones goes downward rather than across like this one does. I think this is an older version. Because the Johnson's ones was an 2011 plate, and this one's an 09 plate, so yeah, probably older, but I still am in love with it. And I'm very, very happy with it. Hey! I fixed the wheels! Nice! I fixed the wheels. So yeah, that's been the unboxing of the Jotus Resin something or other. I'll put the exact thing in the text, so yeah, I won't attempt on saying that. So yeah, boys, let's get the boys and girls and whoever else, let's get the thumbnail, well, not the thumbnail, the cinematics. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I also decided to buy this as well. Not bus related, but it's the Christine boys. Yeah, I bought Christine, the movie, on DVD. I found enough with it on YouTube. So yeah, I know it's a haunted car, but and not a bus. But I like cars as well. I like pretty much any vehicle. And so I got a second channel called Random Things where I put all the other vehicles on. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.